We coped as a nation very well with the threat of COVID and the pandemic. We listened to the science and took action based on the evidence. And now it's really beholden on us as a nation and as the healthcare sector to do the same when it comes for action on climate change.
We want to lead in this race to have a healthy future. I want the whole community to benefit from this transition so no one is left behind and no one is left out. This is entirely possible in Australia. We just need the imagination and the desire to do this from all sectors of community, including our government.
We've always been clever in the past, so I think there's a key opportunity for Australia to play a lead role in climate. The future should be one in which our children and young people feel optimistic that they can have the same quality of life that we've had.
If we gather together that enormous industry that is healthcare in Australia, it accounts for probably a similar emission contribution to that of the state of South Australia, roughly 7% of total emissions. So that's an enormous window of opportunity where the people who are likely to be treating the adverse impact of climate change, which has already started, as a system can contribute to the solution.
Health makes up about 10% of GDP in Australia. We're one of the leading sectors in the economy, and we must exercise our leadership now to address climate, the biggest challenge both to our economy but also to our health.
A better future is we recognise and value Indigenous knowledge systems, and nature and health is an absolute priority, that we think about the planet as well as human health.
So a better future for Australia is that we all act to reduce our impact upon the environment and make sure that in doing so we have a just transition for those workers who depend upon that carbon-based footprint.
I think we have this impetus here for change. This is the moment. We need to grab it. We can work together. We can be creative. This isn't about losing jobs. This is actually about creating a new world that's better for all of us.